Embark on a vibrant student journey at Rose View Leeds, where convenience meets comfort and city life thrives just outside your doorstep. Offering a diverse range of ensuite and studio apartments, Rose View caters to every student's needs. Whether you prefer the privacy of a studio or the camaraderie of an ensuite, each room is equipped with everything you need, from a cozy bed, study desk, and plenty of storage for your belongings. Plus, with communal spaces like a cinema room, gym, and study area, there's always something to do and someone to meet. Situated amidst the bustling heart of Leeds, this property promises proximity to top universities like Leeds College of Arts and Leeds Beckett University, ensuring a stress-free commute for students. Indulge your taste buds at renowned eateries like Stussy and Gaucho Leeds, or immerse yourself in the city's vibrant nightlife scene at the Key Club and Botanist Bar. For those seeking retail therapy, Kirkett Market and Corn Exchange offer a treasure trove of deals and delights. Rose View sets the stage for an unforgettable student experience in the heart of Leeds. So don't wait. Get the key to your new home at amberstudent.com.